Hi guys, today I've got 3 quick and easy updos for medium to long hair. Starting off, we've got this easy messy bun hairstyle. To start, I'm going to divide the hair in half from about the end of the eyebrow height. Then pop that top half into a ponytail. And with the bottom section, make one more ponytail directly below the first. Now I'm just going to add some texture spray all over the ponytails and the crown of the head. I'll pop the products I'm using in the description below. Then you're going to use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair around the crown to loosen things up a little bit and add a bit of texture. I'm going to divide the ponytails into 3 equal sections, and taking the first one, I'm going to grab it near the base, give it a couple of twists towards the head and secure that little loop to the head with a few bobby pins. Let's take another same size section, get a couple of fingers, grab it near the base, twist it a couple of times to create your loop and secure to the head. Leave the tail ends poking out, and then we're going to do it one more time on this top ponytail. So grab the top, twist it a couple of times, hold to the head and secure with a few pins. And it really is that easy, so we're just going to do the same steps on the bottom ponytail. So split it into 3 equal sections. Grab it with a couple of fingers near the base, give it a couple of twists, hold it to the head and secure with pins. We're going to do this with the remaining 2 sections, twisting and pinning it to the head as you go. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. So I'm going to leave most of these tail ends hanging loose, but if some of them are a little bit too long, just pop a bobby pin on the end, roll it towards the head and just push into that bun. Then, using your fingers, we're going to gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of this hairstyle to make it more messy and voluminous. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, we've got this mid-height bun. To start, divide the hair straight across, and we're going to pop that top half into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. On the last turn, only pull the ponytail part way through to create a loop. Gather the remaining hair into another ponytail just below the first one, and again pull the ends part way through to create another loop. Leave the tail ends hanging down. Then put a finger and thumb through the middle of the top loop. Grab hold of that bottom loop and bring it all the way through up to the top. Grab hold of each side and pull it outwards to fan out the section, then secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Pinch and pull at that bottom loop for a little bit more texture and volume, and again secure at both sides with a couple of pins. Apply some wax spray over the top of the head. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull the top of the hair for more volume and texture. Now you could leave the hairstyle like this, so with the ends all hanging down, or you can split them in half, bring them up to the side sections and secure with pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And for the third and final hairstyle, we've got my favourite, which is this messy curly updo. I've started by curling the hair, but this can be done on straight hair too. And I'm just going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip it out of the way on both sides. Divide the remaining hair in half straight across, and all I'm simply going to do is tie that top half into a knot. So wrap it around your fingers to create a loop and then pull the ends through. Hold on to the knot to either side and stretch it out. Hold to the head and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to do the same steps on the bottom of the hair, so create your knot. Use your fingers to stretch it out to match the top one and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Add some dry texture spray all over those knots. I'll pop the ones I'm using in the description below. Then really pinch and pull every loop and twist of this hairstyle apart for some more texture and volume. Then pinch and pull the crown of the head. Release the side sections down, and I've sectioned off a little piece to frame the face. I bring the rest of the hair back to the side of the bun and secure with a couple of pins. Then repeat on the opposite side. So leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Pin the hair to the side of the bun. And you can leave the curls hanging down, or if they're a bit too long like my client, you can just position them where they look best. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.